Anza Osubangaye Kanway sarahgist TV. Osubangaye. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Sarai. You are welcome to our mbembe class. This is the channel where we learn the mbembe language. So if you are new, I say welcome, and I also use this opportunity to say welcome to all my subscribers, both the new and the old ones. Thank you. You are welcome. So this is the mbembe class. It is not an English class. So please, in this class we are going to be learning some words in mbembe language and then interpret it in English language. So if you are ready, let's go. But before we start, I want to use this opportunity to say please to everyone that will see this video, like, share and subscribe, so that others who are interested in learning this language can get to see this video. So thank you as you hit that button. Good. So today's class we're going to be learning some words in a mbembe language and then interpret them in English language. Okay, so the first word we're going to be starting with is ba. Ba in English is to marry. To marry in mbembe is ba. Then the next word is marriage. Marriage in mbembe language is obada. Obada. Marriage in mbembe language is obada. Then we move to the next one. To make something dirty. To make something dirty in mbembe language is banga. Banga. So when you hear somebody say it to you, ibinjoma kabanga. Ibinjoma kabanga. So that person is actually telling you, do not make this place dirty. Don't dirty this place. Good. So that the word is banga. Then we move to another word, dirtiness. Dirtiness in mbembe language is obangaji. Obangaji. That is when you are dirty, when something is dirty. Dirtiness, obangaji. Then we move to the next one, to fence. To fence in, there is a fence. To fence in the mbembe language is bag. Bag, that is to fence. Bag. Then when you say fence or bag, fence or bag, or bag is fence or bag. Then when you say a fence, a bag is a fence in the mbembe language. So let's take it again. This time we don't need to say the English. Let's just say the words in mbembe and let's see if we remember what it means in the English language. The first one is ba. What is ba in English language? So the second one is obada. Can you remember the meaning in English language? Then we have obanga. Obaga. Obaga. What is obaga in English language? Then we go ebangai. 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 And obangaji. Obangaji. Back. Obag. Okay, so now one more time, let's do it. Let's take them both. So let's go through the words again in mbembe and English language. So the first word is ba. Ba. So if you say ba in English language, it means to marry. Ba. Then obada. Obada means in English language marriage. Obada, marriage. Banga. Banga means to make something dirty. Banga, to make something dirty. Ebangaji. Ebangaji in English means dirty, dirtiness. Dirty. So please like this video, share, subscribe, and let others get to see this video and learn along with us, friends. So until we meet again, this is your girl Sarai from sarahgist TV. This is the channel where you learn the mbembe language. I am so happy to be your mbembe teacher.